Hi, and welcome to More Fitness with Carla Moore. I'm talking like this because I realize that all of the women who deal with fitness on the internet have the same voice, and they're usually wearing something really skin tight so you can see their camel toe. And I'm confused as to whether it's about fitness or if it's softcore porn. Anyways, so I did my workout today. I did Jillian Michael's 30-day shred part 1. I did that for the second time, and then I started my targeted workout challenge. If you don't know what the targeted workout challenge is, for the next 2 weeks, me and all of the people in More Fitness are going to pick 1 or 2 areas that are our challenge areas. We don't say problem areas because it has negative connotations. Challenge areas, and we're going to pay specific attention to them. So after we do whatever workout we normally do, we're going to do some targeted work on those. So I have chosen to work on my back flab. You will notice that you never see my back in anything that I am doing, wearing, or posting, because my back can smile at you because it has lips on it. It's just flabby, yeah. Backless, and I'm writing that. And I'm also going to be targeting my legs because, as usual, they are extremely jiggly, and while I enjoy that they are the consistency of porridge, I would like them to be like maybe closer to a cornmeal porridge and less like oats. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I jumped off a day early. I have started that today. So I do my Jillian Michaels and them something there, and Ray thank God for Shanti because him build me up so I can just tackle her and him something there. Yeah, and then after that I come do what is girl name? Tiffany Roth. I'm going to post the workout under this. So the two things that I'm doing, I'm going to post under it. So I come to Tiffany Roth. So she had 3 minutes now. So I say, Ray, I go star up she, and then I go do the little leg one because I want Pilates one for like make my leg long and lean, and then I stand up in her heels and my toe bun me at least wrong at the back part of the leg look strong, like it's shaped like a heart and whatever. Anyway, after Tiffany she done the workout, Tiffany said, oh, she would advise that I do that 3 times. 3 times 4 minutes, something that is 12 minutes. So me just cancel the leg workout for today. It looked like we be Tiffany one day and Pilates the other day because I don't have an additional 20-30 minutes to add on to my workout when I don't do with Jillian already due to me done tired. Although tomorrow I might decide that I'm feeling froggy and change my mind and go and do the 2 workout then back to back. But for tonight, I am pleased with myself because I have done my Jillian and I do this Tiffany girl. Like I asked her something. Is it that the women on the internet are not allowed to work out wearing like shorts that are loose fitting or like blouse that cover them belly and so? Because I realize that everybody just have on it. Like I'm wearing a sports bra now, but don't catch past here, so everybody have on like a little beanie something, and something that cuts right up into them vagina. You're trying to tell me that you are directing workouts and you don't feel self-conscious that a part of your vagina is about to fall out of your outfit? Like that don't break your concentration at all? No? It must just be me. I am very self-conscious about those things. Maybe I'm special, but from now on I think I'm going to do all of my posts in this voice because it makes people want to listen and buy your product because they think that it might secretly be a phone sex line. Okay, that's it for me for the night. If you don't do your workout, go and do it. Join More Fitness. Get in with the challenge. Pick 1 area. Look here, if you work out your whole body, like some things that respond faster than some, right? But everybody knows that them have that one part that just bond them. Like every day them get up and say, dear Jesus abs, why are you a crate? I want a 6-pack. 6-pack, not a crate. Fine. Pick it, whatever part it is, and start working assiduously towards changing it, which is what I'm doing. So for the next 2 weeks, that's what we're in for. Join us on More Fitness. Go and do your workout. Enjoy the women on the internet that are wearing very little clothing. Can you see up in my nose hole? Clearly, I'm too comfortable with this camera now. Bye-bye.